They're completely out of line, out of sync. Can you imagine what happened if Spy decided to dump 0.5%? The Qs would be down 1.5. It's completely out of line and out of sync. I'm gonna wait for more confirm. Me personally, but trust your normal setup. Hold on, I gotta get this going. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Then I'm gonna answer CME's question. Oh no, I did not mean to do that. I meant to log into the Apex. Jesus Christ. Make sure my bots, my VPN's running. Connections. Apex One. What is that? Why did I think of that just now? Stu says, I'm in here. I'm gonna start learning it. I'm gonna join every day. Okay, Stu. Let me see something. Hold on real quick, guys. I'm still trying to get set up. Hold on. Yosef. Yosef on TikTok. I understand that you might be going through a hard financial situation. I apologize. But and listen, look, like I understand, brother. Look, like the $100 can do a lot of different things for you. Look at that. What is that? I understand that, bro. But like I apologize. So like you have to understand the position that I'm in, and like I'm not saying that like you're not in a serious position. I get that, but I but I live stream to hundreds of people a day. I cannot just be giving out free money. I apologize, man. Nah, I'm not gonna mute him for asking for money because I know life is hard. I know that. You know, he says all good, bro. I understand. Yeah, brother. I can't do that because if hundreds of people ask me for $100 and like I was just giving it out, I literally be giving away tens of thousands of dollars a month. So man, I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to oust you or say anything rude. I apologize, man. Man, I'm sorry, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Like I wish that I could do something differently. You know, if you were inside here and like if you needed it or something like that, brother. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, bro? We could work out something with like your billing or something like that. But like that's about the most that I can do, man. I apologize. Sorry. Or like if you do, win like one of the giveaways or something like that, like I could shoot you the cash instead of giving you a membership. But that's when I do the giveaways or something. So it's all good, yeah. I know life is hard, brother. I know. Trust me, man. I'm right there with you. I done been there before, bro. I get that. I get that. I'm right there in there with you, man. Anyway, what we got? I'm gonna run a test game over there.
All these dishes. It's crazy.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Look at that.
Order
Domski.
canceled.
Look at that Dunsky candle.
Domski.
Look at that. You see that? You see that shit right there? That's that war news. You see that?
It's nuts, bro.
You see
Consider I
that
took
war
that
news right there?
left
You see that
early.
shit? You see why I
And
said
look,
to wait? See what I'm saying?
and you know
See,
what's
that's
crazy,
bullshit.
bro?
See what I'm saying? Your normal
You
trade
know,
setup is not gonna work here.
I had
you know,
24,755 mark.
you know what's crazy, bro?
What?
This fucking Sibby, this 15-minute Sibby we've been playing with ever since Monday, well, yesterday. We've been hovering around it, and we need displaced from it. Like y'all gotta pay attention to that. Like that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, bro. Them
That fit,
15-minute Sibbies are
bro. That
the
but that
15
big
minute
one though. That
FEGs
big one though.
are. You said what, brother?
You see this big one? You see this big one though? Like when I see a big one like that, I know it's
Yes.
gonna be a couple
Yes.
days before it eat through it. You know what I'm saying? Like for me, like if it's going down that way, you know what I'm saying? If it's going that way, but like that's rebalance. Look at all that resist, man. Like man, that's crazy,
Yeah, they're
bro. And
actual cheat codes.
that's
They're
that's
hidden
what I was
cheat
saying. You
codes.
wake up at that time frame, bro. What I'm saying, what I was telling them, you wake up at time frame, look for one of those, man. But you be saucy for the day. I got NQ ain't stopping until we go to the 15-minute busy right here.
That
25.
small one right there, 25, 24, 75.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But you got ES about to tap into one. You got ES about to tap into one right now though, so be on alert. You got ES about to tap into one right now, so be on alert.
I mean,
Today
so
is so what?
let me know if this thinking is correct or not. So right now, there's nothing between where we at right now, price wise, and that 15-minute distance. So does that mean that it's straight bound to plummet, or
Guys, just to let y'all know, I'm gonna turn this over to Murdoch or to anybody else. I gotta write my notes. So like I need to take about like 2 or 3 minutes to write some notes and finish getting myself acquainted. And then I want to answer CME's question, and then I want to delve deeper into 7-4. So I'm gonna go on mute for like 3 or 4 minutes here while some things get resolved here. So yeah, hold on, because I have not forgotten about my man CME.
Murdoch, what you think?
Say your question again, buddy.
So you see how there's nothing right now stopping it. Like if I was to eyes close blindly short this, because there's nothing below where we at right now, price wise, other than that 15-minute busy.
Uh,
Would that be what is that
that won't
rationale?
be a
Like
smart move. That won't be a smart move because you gotta correlate ES with ES and ENQ, right? Even though like we smashing through this 15-minute busy on ES, you know what I'm saying? It could very well, come down here and tap into this one on ES and then bounce, or it can actually bounce right now at any given moment. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's
okay,
you know what I'm saying. You could take the short depending on what you're trying to get to. Like you know what I'm saying. Whatever you're
well,
trying
we
to.
was trying to get to that busy that is down there,
I
that
mean, yeah.
575.
So like
That's what I mean.
you can do that, but you gotta sign like if it bounce back up against you because none of these imbalance up here been touched yet. So like it can very well shoot back up and rebalance back up here, right? And then continue to move. You get what I'm saying? So like
Okay,
if
okay,
you was that's why like right now you shortening the hole. That's basically what E be saying. Like
that makes sense.
shorten the hole because it's basically like the end of the move type shit.
But that's because that's what was it last Thursday? I think it was last Thursday. That shit was like it was just straight waterfalling, bro.
Yeah. Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
guys, they're waterfalling it right now, guys, because believe it or
Trademark.
not, I know this might guys, I had to take a break as far as from writing inside my journals. Like I'm gonna send this picture out to y'all in a minute. But everyone needs to understand they waterfall it a lot of times on stuff like this on good news. They just did this on Thursday. Thursday was great news. And they waterfalled it in a straight line down 4.5% in a straight line. We are dumping right now off of peace deals. You need to understand that.
Man,
We're
look at that
dumping right now off of
Domski.
peace.
Yeah, like I took
Look
the
at that.
short just
Look
on
at that
small size.
Domski. Hey,
And
hey,
one
hey.
of, one of
Everybody
the
can't be
reasons
on
why this is
Jumping
the
it down
case
there.
hey,
is
everybody
because
can't be
there's a
on
lot of
everybody doing
there's a
15
lot of
minutes
resting
50.
orders in here because people think good news means buy. And a
Hey,
lot of times
they
they
better
think
be on
bad
alert.
news means sell. That is not the case. They don't give a shit about good or bad news. They don't care about that. They only care about filling orders. So if a lot of dumbasses are going to put their necks on the railroad tracks, the freight train is going to run directly over you. That's why I say all the time, does this make people feel safe? Peace deals makes people feel safe. Okay, let's go out and buy. So yes, whatever strategy that you're thinking of, The market is targeting you. I'm gonna go back. So I'm gonna turn it back over to Murdoch and them. Hold on.
That.
What you saying, Murdoch? You was getting ready to say something, brother.
Say that, yeah. But
15 minutes. We tapping to 250. We tapping to another 15
so you
minutes
got
Sibby
that.
on ES. So be on alert. Even though we ain't tapping to it on NQ, so be on alert. We bouncing because we tapping to a 15-minute on ES. We bouncing because we tapping to a 15-minute on ES. Just let y'all
There's
know.
also a 5. There's also a 5.
For short turn.
Look at that bounce.
Like, short turn.
Bounce. Okay, look at that.
Look at that shit, bro. That's crazy work. Yeah. The move is here. 647. That's the move.
Hold on. Made 15 of those on 5 micros on a combine. Chris Stoic says, Jesus Christ.
Crazy work.
What an insane move, dude. Wow. Liquidation break. Classic.
Classic okie doke. Brother.
Classic okie doke, yeah. Classic okie doke. Let's bounce it up on good news and then flash dump it. Okie doke. Get everybody accounts on 0. That's why I wait. Classic okie doke move right there. My goodness. Get everybody long and then flash dump it. Everybody long and then flash dump. They knew they was gonna dump this market like this. They knew exactly what they were doing here. Look at that. My goodness. Look at the carnage. You see that? Can you believe it? Wow. I'm almost done getting set up now. Hold on. Look at this. Destruction. They can do anything in this reality. Thanos with the Infinity Gauntlet. He could just erase half of existence. All right. Oh my goodness, what was that?
Oh my goodness! Look at that.
See that? Close 616. Oh, you see that 16-point volume bounce? Watch this.
He said, "Watch this."
Watch this.
We're trying to charge it.
Watch
He
this.
said,
Watch him. Watch him. Watch this. Watch
Watch
this.
it, watch it.
Watch them put $100 trillion on assets and then dump this to come over here and fill this. Watch this. Watch that. Watch this. Watch. Watch that. Just watch that. Watch. Watch his alert go out. Watch on. Was the close 16? What's the alert at? Set? Yeah, watch this. Okay. So where's the Q's HVL at? Let's see. Q's HVL is at.
We have a negative ratio still.
I'm about to
Well,
do
we
it
are
right now.
we're slight.
Q's
It seemed like
HVL is at.
we slightly in negative. It seemed like
Where's it at?
these
Oh,
candles, is
600.
kind
Q's H. Okay, guys, I'm writing down inside my journal right now. Q's HVL. I'm getting ready to answer Murdoch's question. Q's HVL is at 600. The market's trying to stabilize itself. 0 DTE HVL, which is the 0 DTE options chain, is at 594. We're on the edge. We're on the edge here. SPY HVL is at 665. We flashed this and we bounced. The market never looked back. SPY HVL 665. 0 DTE, man. Mr. 74 loves that damn 950 macro. 0 DTE HVL is
Yeah,
at
that's
660.
great. right?
whatever it
On
is
the
that he has
time.
back tested with that 950 macro, he needs to continue to refine that. He needs to continue to refine that, whatever that is. I don't know what connections he has drawn with that 950 macro. I don't know because I don't trade that. But man, he needs to continue to refine it. He needs to put that shit inside his pocket and not let it out. SPX HVL is at 6680. 0DTE HVL is at 6690, it looks like. Alrighty. So at the top of my journal, guys, I got war news. My journal's the same as yesterday as far as the time hacks, but the only thing that has changed has been the HVL levels. If y'all want me to, I can send out a picture of it. If y'all want me to, y'all want me to send it out or no? I can send it out inside Discord. But I got the war news at the top of my at the top of my screen. At the top of
Yes, sir. Send it. Send it.
All right, bet. I'll put it inside the chat right now. I'll put it inside the chat right now. Hold on. Inside the live trading floor, I'm putting inside the live trading floor.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Gap down just to go up. What I say?
Look at that.
We got down just to go up.
This war news is not nothing to play with. See that?
Hey, E, bro. You know what's so crazy, bro? So look on the cues, bro. I had this. Look, if you look at my
I just
chart.
put it in.
So look, bro.
Look
I
at
had
that.
this shit printed up before yesterday, like before the market opened yesterday, bro. Look at this shit, how it played out yesterday, bro. Like all this shit, all this marking, all these words and all this shit was on there before all this happened, y'all. Before
Wow.
all this happened yesterday. Look what the fucking happened yesterday, bro. Came up here where I had said go make a lower high. Bro, look what the fuck it did, bro.
Look at spot.
Bro. That's why I say right here, we still bearish on in the day frame. You know what I'm saying? Low key. You know
If
what I'm
we
saying?
burst up into here into the zone, guys, I'm gonna consider a short over. Guys,
On
I'm
day,
gonna consider a short up here in the zone.
what I mean, not on the, but on the intraday, we, you know what I mean, it's different, but you know what I'm saying, on like a higher time frame on cues like 613, then you'll be bullish.
Guys, if they shoot up here into the zone, I'm gonna seriously consider a short all to the side. Just for about 50 to 100 ticks to the downside. I'm getting acclimated to
I
my
was gonna
environment.
take one. I was gonna be about short
I'm
around
gonna
that
wait.
same tab, 515 up there. If they shoot
I'm
it,
gonna wait though. I'm
Like,
gonna
but
wait.
this 5 minute candle is
This
great.
momentum is off the charts. Something is going on with this. This is not normal behavior.
they're gonna fill that gap on the cues.
This right here is not normal behavior. Something is going on with this. This is strange. Like they might come up in here and eclipse this here, and then dump. Look at this Judas swing here. Look at this double Judas swing almost. 1, 2, 3. This is dangerous. Best not to jump in front of this moving train. I changed my mind.
You ever seen the movie Hancock? You ever seen the movie Hancock?
Yeah. I am
Wait,
not
y'all
Hancock.
can do it with BMW. Hancock is not gonna come get you before that train gets.
Yeah, I am not no Hancock. I cannot stop that. He is PPI. What's PPI? PPI came out today?
We about to tap into a 15-minute though.
Hold on, let me turn on my live news wire. What the fuck am I doing? Why am I not turning on my live news wire? Look at that. I was going to take a trade. I'm tripping. I'm not acclimated to my environment. Hold on. Pending home sales just came out. 1.9% bullish. PPI ain't came out today. Consumer confidence. Let me turn on my live news wire. Hold on.
Damn, that sure would have pulled out.
Yeah.
Right into that 15 minute.
Look at that.
Like 202.
I'm getting ready to short this.
Bro, I was looking forward too. I ain't gonna lie. Nice pullback. Like it. I took it. I'm
PPI
already
did come
out.
today. PPI did come out today.
I said I'm gonna take it. Fuck it. Bro, I just made, bro, that's crazy work, bro.
I'm getting ready to short this.
I took the short.
As soon as I drew the Sippy, bro, that shit went.
Let's go. Let's go.
Look at the rejection of this 1, 5, and 15 Mississippi. Look at that.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like I said, your trade, bro, that shit was like.
I think they're getting
if
ready
you
to come
prepared-
here.
If you
This right
prepared,
here, this right here is where I think they're getting ready to come to on my soul. Watch that. Watch that. Watch that. If they bounces back up in here again, I'm gonna short this shit.
that shit nasty work. You said you want 100 ticks. That was your 100 ticks right there.
Holy shit! Look at that candle. You see that?
That was your 100 ticks.
See
That was
shit
your
right
100
there?
ticks. Oh, that was your
See
100
that
tick
shit?
move. But no,
I was
every
getting ready to
trade,
short this. but I
trade
missed.
ain't. Yeah, it's cool.
Look at that. See that? See that? Look at that candle.
I'm in a short right now.
Look at the size of that candle, that 60-second candle. That's
look
330,
out.
50 ticks. See that? I was getting ready to short it up here. Damn. Yeah. I was looking at the news. It's okay. Bullish. So somebody told me to look at Weeble. Forgot Mine says. Forgot My Mind says. What you say? Forgot My Mind. You still in here? He says, can I get treated like royalty when I join the Discord? Why would you not be treated like royalty? You're a part of the family. Reason why I can't. Cam says up 4.7K. Good job, Cam. Morning, Tano. How's everybody doing today? So is it weird Weeble good to look at? No. It's all right. It's okay. Look at that Dumpski. See that? That Dumpy. Good morning, Deja. How you doing, Deja? It was long as fuck, Pops. Hella good information, though. Which ones you watching, bro? If you watching the 2022 mentorship, then yeah, it's gonna be long. Pause. Yeah, it is. But like, if you watching like the first 1, 2 playlists, bro, to understand, to begin to understand, then them videos ain't nothing but 10, 15 minutes long, brother. You see that, Dump? So what am I supposed to be looking at? You need to listen. If you want to understand what you're looking at, you got to pay $11. I'm not saying you got to do that, but take note and then maybe look it up. But if you want it hand fed directly to you, so you don't got to be confused, you can join the Knowledge Community page. Do that. He said, "Nah, I banged through those. I'm on 2022." Tano says, "Okay, good. Yeah, you're doing good then." See that Dumpski candle right there? Look at this. Look at this straight carnage right here. There's nothing you can do with this. Look at that. See that? Up 1% and down 0.75% in a straight line. I might try and manage my risk off this 1 minute busy here. Holy shite. The Qs are frozen. Yo. Is it just my screen? Look, the Qs are frozen.
Yep.
Look. Did you see that?
I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Oh, no. Oh, hell no. Hell no. The Qs was just frozen for 15 seconds. I saw it. He said, "Nah, that's just your
Me
screen."
too. Me too.
Nah, bro. It was frozen for like 10 seconds, though. It
Yep.
just caught up.
Yeah, it was. It was
Look at
definitely
that.
frozen.
Oh, really? My Q was working. It's working now. I was getting ready to long this again. Good morning, bro. We live today, Joshua says. Yes, Joshua Albuquerque. See that bounce right there? See that shit right there? I seriously think on my soul, they only dumped this shit to come down here and fill this volume balance. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah, that's what they did. Yeah.
Do you see that shit?
Yes, I did.
Telling me That right there is
I
telling me
would-
everything. I'm alone this.
Order submitted.
I'm alone this for 50 ticks to the upside. Off that move right there.
I did the same.
Order failed.
God! My goodness!
Oh! 50 ticks! 50
Excellent.
ticks each!
Excellent. I love the volatility. Bring it on.
Let's
Excellent.
go!
Okay, I'm done with these accounts for the day. I'll rinse and I'll repeat. I'll log
Yeah,
off.
I'm done too.
Great job,
Yeah.
Phantom. Way to clock into work. I told you were going to bounce back fine, sir.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Good job, sir.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby.
Great job, sir.
Anybody else make some money? Let's go.
Great job.
Yes, sir. Bet 100 on that.
Excellent, sir. Excellent. Excellent. Great trade. I was getting ready to manage my risk off this, but this volatility, I'm loving
I'm
this.
waiting for 1150.
Look at the bullish.
1150. I'm waiting.
Yes, great job. Rise says up 1.
I want to get in for that.
Good job. We'll blow the horn for everybody inside. Look at the bullish.
Look at the bullet.
Look at the bullish. Okay, let's see what this.
Oh.
Good lord. What happened? Who
Love that volatility.
Y'all,
Bring on the
baby.
money.
Chilo's
You already
in.
go get
See,
money.
Chilo
If you
trying
want
to
money.
hold that short. Good. With a trade, Chilo, but it's starting to come against you a little bit. That's just your screen. Mine's fine. Mine been moving. I'm in longs. I need my lick back. Yes, sir, AC. Good job, AC. Up 1.2K, Rise says inside Discord. Great job.
I need my lick
Plus
back.
1,500. Past Apex. 25K this AM. Great job, Chris. Today's just your first day. Today
What that be?
is your first day, Chris. Like how the guy from the Pursuit of Happiness says.
Don't give it
what-
back.
Today
Don't give it
is
back.
your first day, Chris. Would you like
Let's
that?
go, everybody.
Would you like
Let's
to be a
go.
broker?
Great job. Good job.
Oh,
Great job. Let's go, Shirley. You bouncing back, girl. I love it, girl. Let's go. My girl Shirley on it. Yeah. Nice. Man, I love to see people winning and making money. I
Man,
swear to
that's
God, it
fucking
makes me the
dope.
happiest.
let's go.
Shirley on the come up for sure. Yes. Shirley's been with us
Shirley
about
been
3 months
in.
now.
Bro. Bro,
Starting to
Shirley
slowly
on.
click for her. Slowly.
Yes.
3 cons off and left 2. Okay, good, Chilo, because this is looking bullish.
Had to bounce
Confusing,
back.
Chilo, looks like to me. Those 2
Been
got that
playing with-
sweet entry.
Oh,
How
bro.
did you top tick that move like that? Oh, you shorted it where I was getting ready to short it up here at the city.
Yeah. Yes,
Is that what you did, Chilo?
Yeah, he did. Yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh my God! He said yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm telling you.
sir.
Hell yeah. I knew he.
See, guys, listen. This is a very important lesson. This is why this is not an alert service. I will point things out to you, and that's why you need to understand and you need to have the confidence to enter into these trades. Because I said, man, I'm getting ready to show this up here at the confirmation of this 1 minute sippy up in here. Right here, I said, and Chilo saw that, and it clicked in his brain. He was like, man, you know what? F this. I'm gonna take that. Because I've back tested that and I feel confident in that. So he took that trade, and look at that trade. See that? It's not an alert service. He understands. He studied. Rinse and repeating. Great job.
Yeah, it was a nice bounce back into that fair value gap and another drop.
Great job. Goat. How you find that goat? That goat looks funny. Great job. Chilo does not play with interest. No, he does not. He does not. I think that Chilo looks at this market like how I look at it, but he doesn't like, but there's certain dangers that he doesn't adhere to. So like the shit to where I'm like, man, phew, that's going up really against me. Maybe I'll wait. He'll go, well, I'm gonna just guys, this is what he does. He goes, well, I'm gonna downsize and I'm gonna just take 3 or 4 micros and then I'm gonna go for it. Guys, that's how he gets these 500 to 1,000 ticks moves. Because instead of me doing, 1, 2, 3 minis, he'll do 3 to 4 micros and then he'll do that. I'm serious. That's all he's doing.
Yeah, I don't have the balls. Shit, I've been working
Yeah,
on
me
that.
neither. He got more balls than me. Pause. That's exactly
Like that's what I
I
be
said.
trying. I be trying to find around 1150, like try to gauge that liquidity sweep. Like I want to try and take one move.
Yeah, he said, that's exactly what I said. I was like, F this green shoot. I'm shorting you right there. Come to Papa, Chulo says. Joey says, I'm trying to get like you, Chulo. Absolutely. We all are. Great job. Now I banged through those. Yeah. Take your time, no Tano. See that dump?
Got a 15-minute Sibby on ES.
Alrighty.
And created another 15-minute Sibby on NQ.
Great trade. I'm just trying to rinse and repeat. That's all I'm trying to do. For real. Get to this payout.
Get to that paya. The paya. That's the goal.
E, how are you able to see all of the bitches and civvies for different time frames if you're on the 1 minute chart? Is that a specific
Or the settings.
setting?
The settings, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So yes, Shay. So the settings. So I got the 1 minute time frame, which is the chart, because I always trade on the 1 minute. And then like so I got it on the chart here, and then like so whatever it's on, it's gonna show the chart. The like the bitches and civvies on that chart. And then I always have the 15 and the 5 minute time frames checked out. And then I have show FVGs clicked, and I had hide FVGs lower than enable time frames. And then I have wait for candle close to identify FVGs, because like I don't want my candle, because I don't want my chart to be looking all weird and like me taking a trade setup based off of something that was not formed. I get paid, guys. The reason why I do that is because I get paid to react, not to predict. When I heard that quote and I started living like that, my P&L completely mooned. So what I'm saying is you're like you're predicting if like you see like a huge BISC being formed, and like you're managing your risk off of a BISC that is not closed. You're predicting, and predictors don't really last well very long in this market. So you got to look at these. So the settings right. It's inside the indicator section inside Discord. I think that I updated those. But if you still have any questions, you let me know. But yeah, it just shows these like this. But every single time I see a 15-minute BISC form or a SIBI, I come over here like this, as you know, and I just do this. And I mark those out because I need to be paying attention to those nonstop. See that?
They finna shoot.
God knows what they could do.
They finna shoot this.
See that? What we got here? Boy, that's a 15-minute SIBI.
Oh my God, guys, look at
There's
that
a 15
bullish
up there.
flag pattern.
Wow, yeah, exactly. Look at that bullish flag pattern. Dump ski candle. See that? 15-minute bull flag dump. Pump, dump. See that? That's crazy. Look at that candle. My goodness. They could do anything in this reality. Oh my goodness, look at the Lulu on the 176. I thought they were going to go to 150. I'll live to fight another day. Wall Street Trapper says nice. Yeah, that's Wall Street Trapper.
Wait, the Wall Street Trapper?
I'm about to say, you got trap in here?
There's no way Trapper's in here.
There's this one dude named Wall Street Trapper on TikTok.
Yeah.
Oh, weak as hell.
I was about to say,
though.
man, he on here.
Real ones though. That boy in his stealing sauce? That's crazy.
Oh, weak.
Sorry, he crazy. That's funny. That's funny. Anyway. Oh, let's get back to CME's point. Answer CME's question from yesterday. He started asking me about, hey, can I get some advice as far as back testing is concerned? So, I wanted to ask CME, are you talking about like back testing the models to understand what model to go after, or are you talking about how I have back tested the psychological aspect of what makes me feel comfortable, or both? Which one are you referencing?
Well, I know if I say both, it's going to be very detailed, but I'm just saying on a basic level, like if I want to back test on a chart or a certain, I guess like say for NQ, and I hear y'all say, oh, we back tested this time frame, this, that, and that. So I don't know how to do that.
Great question. So how you do that? So back testing is simply nothing more than you looking at a specific concept or an idea, and then you writing that down, and you understanding what you're looking for, and then you go back in time to test it day in and day out. So like you need to come over here to TradingView, or now I'm unsure how this is going to work on NinjaTrader. So let me try and pull this up on NinjaTrader. Let me see here. The NinjaTrader chart. Let's go over to the NQ. Let's see. It's going to be a little bit more challenging to navigate the NinjaTrader chart, but however, what you're going to have to do is that you're going to have to go back in time. You see how much harder it is in order to navigate the NinjaTrader chart? So like on the NinjaTrader chart, you can only go back. See what I'm saying? You can't go back that far. So if I go new, that's why you're confused. New chart.
Yeah,
New chart.
that's my problem right there.
Okay, days to load, 5 days. Okay, let's try and load 200 days. Let's look at it. Let's look at it like this. Click OK. Let's see how far I can go back on the 1 minute chart. Let's see if I can go back to 200 days. Oh shoot. Let's see how far I can go back. Can I go back 200 days in the past?
Yeah, you can.
Oh wow. So this is what you're gonna have to do, CME. So yes, hold on. What's the date on this?
You can go back pretty much as far as you want.
Wow. So NinjaTrader's backtesting feature is actually better than TradingView, it appears. Because the date on this is November 7th, and I'm going all the way back. Let's see how far I can go back.
You can go back indefinitely if you set it up that way.
Oh wow. So yes. So this is what you're gonna have to do. CME. You got to do this, brother. You're gonna have to come over here to your NinjaTrader. If you're looking at my screen, you're gonna have to click new. You're gonna have to click a new chart. Then you're gonna have to click NQ, and then right over here, the days to load. You're gonna have to put 200. Hold on, right quick. You got to put like 200 days so that you can go back 200 days in the past, and click OK. Hold on, real quick. But before you do that, though, let me double check something right quick. Because I don't want you to exit out of the. I don't want you to exit out of the screen that you're already on. Let me see if I can figure out how to do this. Hold on.
You could create a new tab. You could do a new tab or duplicate the current one. So you have all the settings on there, and then you just on that new tab, you create the new settings, making the days a little longer. Because that's what I do with mine.
Okay, there you go. So yeah. So how does he create a new tab? Okay, duplicate window like this, right? Duplicate window like this. So like he'll duplicate the window. Wait, no.
Now go to the tab itself on the bottom. I'm driving, so I'm just giving you a memory. On the bottom, you right click on it. It should give you to duplicate tab. So you could duplicate. So what I do with mine, I have the same tab. I have different time frames on there, and then I have and then you could just duplicate it, and then you could actually just drag the tab out to create a window. So you could have multiple windows, just like that.
Correct. But how do I edit? But how do I go to the settings over here to edit the settings to do the 200 days in the past? So that
okay, so you right click on the map itself, on the chart itself, and new properties or data series, I believe, and that should allow you to mess with the time frame.
Right. Yeah, I'm on properties right now. Time highlighter, no. Window.
No, right click on the chart on just a thing, and it should be like data series. It should say data series or something like that.
Right click. Oh, data series.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. Okay. CME. We got it for you, brother. So when your
Yeah.
chart is up,
Yeah.
you're gonna right click, then you're gonna go to data series. Thank you so much for that advice, sir. To help him.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Of course.
Thanks,
You're
Thanks,
welcome.
buddy.
Appreciate that, Ken, my brother. So right click, you're gonna go to data series, then you're gonna click days to load. You can either put 200 or 300 days in. That's what you're gonna do. And now, what you're going to have to do now is that you are now going to have to go back and then back test it, and you're going to have to see whenever this specific setup occurred, what happened in the past. And then you're going to have to take note of that mentally, but realistically write it down so that you can gain confidence in that. So like, for example, if you're trying to backtest the 1150 macro, then you're going to come over here and then you're going to go over in the past to 1150. And you're going to see how the market reacted like right around like 1150. Well, what happened when they went down for 1150? Did they reverse it like right around 1209, 1210? Like how they did right here for the 1208 inverse? Yes, they
Yeah.
did.
Yes.
So like you're gonna have to do that to then gain confidence in that, if that makes sense. So like that is literally all that is. So like you need to have a charting software which is here to where you can go back and you can just simply take a look at to see how the market behaved, so that you can just back test it. That is literally all it
Okay.
is. And so like you're just testing ideas to
Okay. I
then
appreciate it. Yes.
to then give you the confidence right here, right now. That's all that is. Just to let you know. Now, as far as the
Yeah. Thank you. Thank y'all. Thank you, everybody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate that. But yeah, so like the psychological aspect though, you know what I'm saying? You know, that's gonna be a little bit more challenging to see because you're gonna have to forward test those ideas. So like the reason why I didn't take this short over here for the 950 macro yesterday, even though it would have played out, was because I thought that they were getting ready to pump it. So like that was a second by second call, which is what they did, and I decided to short it right here up here at the top. So like because I felt as though they was getting ready to go to 670, which is exactly what they did. So I didn't want to risk this play, and it's like I would only have 10 seconds to capitalize. I didn't want to risk that, and I thought that was too risky. So like you're gonna have to make those calls in real time. So there's back testing and then there's forward testing. You should be guys. We should all be forward testing every single day we're trading. Whenever you lose a trade, that should be forward testing. Whenever you win a trade, that should be forward testing because you go, oh my goodness, what I was looking at was working. Let me notate that. Or oh my goodness, I'm not going to short inside of a 15-minute BISI again. That didn't work out for me. Maybe I shouldn't do that again. That's forward testing. But you can also forward test on a paper account too and be like, yo, every single time I long it inside of a 15-minute BISI, I get favorable results. Or every single time I long it right around 1150 macro, I get favorable results. Maybe I should keep doing that like that. In any event, the market's starting to cool out now. Look at the Lulu. Jesus, the Lulu's shooting to the moon because of war news. Okay, what we got? Salesforce says I'm back. Okay. I think you should probably be done today, 7-4. You've been doing really good. Do you understand if you just stack 50 of those days together, not 50,000, 50 of those days that you had today, you make 50,000? Do you understand that? Probably best we chill out. Just to be honest.
My fundeds are locked. I just got a combine I'm messing with now.
Oh, yeah. Well, shit, you good then. Never mind. Excuse me.
Yeah, that second trade wasn't the best, so I was like, okay, I'm done.
I thought you were talking about the combine. I mean the fully funded.
No. Those are locked for the day. So I locked one of them last night from Asia and London, and then this morning with that second trade that I was in, I locked it. I was like, I'm done.
When do you sleep, bro? It's a serious
Well,
question.
I woke up. I have a son, so he woke up. I fed him, and then I was watching the charts at 3 a.m. and I was able to make a
Oh,
trade. I think off of a BISI on gold, and I was able to complete I was able to complete my objective.
nice. I could have sworn
He's like
somebody.
Murdoch. They're vampires.
Yeah, vampires. That's crazy. I could have sworn
Yeah.
somebody had a question earlier about something. Oh, Rock Lee did. Questioning. So right here, how can we tell when this is at the end of the move and that bull flip where people are wicked out at the bottom has started? A couple times I was right, and a couple times I was wrong last night. What do you mean last night, Rock Lee? He says couple times. How can you tell when it's at the top end at the end of the move and that bull flip where we were wicked out at the bottom was where we started? A couple times I was right and a couple times I was wrong last night. I'm glad he asked that question. Rock Lee. I don't think Rock Lee is in here anymore. He left. I'll save that question for later. I don't want to answer questions when people aren't in here. You trade today? Of course I did. You can see my P&L in real time. There were plenty of trades that were taken today. Twan, people inside Discord were killing it. Great job today. What did you take? Oh, I loaned it right here on this pullback to then target up into here. Looked like it ran 300 ticks. And then I was saying I was getting ready to short this right here. I literally said I'm going to short this when we tap into this 1 minute SIBI. And then I didn't take it. I was still getting set up. And then other people shorted it inside Discord and they banked on the way down here. And then I said, holy smokes, I'm getting ready to long it off of this, off the reaction of this BISI right here. This looks bullish. And I waited for this bullish candle close right here. And I was late a little bit, but I bought it right here. And then it still ran 400 ticks almost. And other people bought here too and went out. Great trades today. Good job. Great job. Discord did a great job today. So far.
Yeah, it's one of them good days.
Tough, yeah. Today was a good day today. We successfully navigated this. Why? Because we waited for everybody else to get liquidated. Then they bounced and they showed some resolve. And I didn't want to take my chances on this. On this first move, I didn't want to do that. But I saw we were shooting up into here, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is perfect. This is a 1 in 5. This is a 1 in a 5 minute cluster right here. I was short of here for something to go to the downside. But me personally, I was late, so I can't take credit off this.
I took the first one.
Oh, you took that one?
Yes, sir.
Another person. Great job, Phantom. And then so I waited right here, and so when I saw this reaction here, over here at this zone, a cluster between a 1 and a 15-minute BISI, I said, okay. And then this bounce off that tells me everything I need to know. Confirmation. Okay, they got my attention here. Confirmation here. Long here on a pullback.
Long there.
In the red. I didn't even think about it. I bought on red, not on green. I bought on red right here. Burst to the upside. The order was filled literally in 10 seconds. That's when you know a trade is really good. When you press the button.
Yeah, and it goes ding. Anyway.
Man, you know a trade is really good. You know you were patient on your entry. When you press the button, you were instantaneously in the green. That's a good day. Great day. Anyway.
Do you NQ? Do you set your stop and take profit right away or no?
I always have my take profit established, no matter what happens, because like I could be in a trade and like they could flash it up real quick.
Right.
And then dump it. So for me personally, whenever I'm trading futures, I always have my take profit established, no matter what happens. Before I get in the market,
Anybody
I
in this?
know who said that.
I am.
Me. I'm in here. 300 up.
I'm in now.
All right, good job. But guys, before I get in the market, I know where I am to get in and where I am to get out at. But I don't, guys. But just because y'all don't see me put a stop loss doesn't mean that I don't know where I'm willing to risk my money at. Like to where I go, man, this is going against me. I don't like this.
$500
I'm like,
But
that bitch right.
look at
I'm
that.
like, this right.
I wonder if
I took.
AC is still
We're
in that
going to that
long.
15. I took.
I'm like, this right on both.
Let me see what
I got out that joint early.
Yeah, let me get it.
Good job. Excellent. AC, you still in that long? About to pass my second eval, he says. Good job.
At 250 before the 1150 or leave.
I wonder if AC is still in that long or not. I just took profit. We'll blow the horn for my brother. What's it? Chris says about to pass my second eval. Good job. Great job, sir. He's new here.
Let me see what the sniper on.
Good job.
Okay.
So can you have multiple eval accounts?
Yeah, of course. It just depends on what firm you got going on. Looks to me like they're trying to.
Yeah, take profit.
Yeah, I think the maximum take profit is what, 5? What is it, 5, y'all? I don't know. I don't trade with them. Look at that green. They're gonna shoot this, man. This is bullish, man.
They pull it back one more time.
They're about to shoot this, man.
See that?
See that? Look at that.
Look at that, Ski.
Hey,
Great job, AC.
if I
Guess how much? I want to know how much AC is up today. How much, AC? Hey, and don't lie. You better tell us whether it's on the cash account.
Don't lie, AC. Don't lie.
He said, he. Let me guess. Okay, hold on. No. Don't send it out. Discord. I'm not Discord. TikTok. If you can guess how much AC is up, whether or not that he's on, so like you have to say live account or you have to say demo account. If you can guess, if you can guess how much he is up to within not 100, I'll even give you $200. I will give you free access to the community. Or if you're inside Discord too, I'll give you 1 month free. If you can guess how much one of the students is up today, but you have to get it right to within $100. $100. I lied, not 200. To within $100 because I don't know how much he's up. So
what if he's up?
You have to get it right to within $100. So he'll send a screenshot and he'll let us know how much he's up. But you have to say demo or live, and then you have to be right to within $100. I will give you free access to the community. And then if you're inside here, I'll just send you some cash today, or I'll just give you 1 month free. Up to you. All righty. I'll just shoot you some cash because everybody's doing well to that. Whenever people do well, I like to do giveaways, free cash. So just say, hey, he's on a live account or hey, he's in a demo account. He made $300. Yeah, he said between two. Yeah, no range. You got to give a number. You got to give a number, and you got to say live, and he's up $400 or $600. Or hey, demo across the Apex accounts, he's up $800 per account on TikTok. If you do that, I'll send you some free cash. The cash value is going to be $40.
7-4, you on one, man.
What we got?
Live account up there. 15K.
Okay. Here's the deal. Okay, here's the deal, TikTok and Discord. We have upped it. You will get $80 in cash. This is a free $80. This is what I'm saying. We will do a free $80. Okay, take it back. Not $100. If you can guess the exact number that he's in, that he's up to within $200. You got to guess to within $200.
He just say how much?
So like if he says, like if you say demo and $600 and he's up $800, then you win. Or if he only made $400, you still win. So like you got $400 in like wiggle room across both sides to win $80. Alrighty. So you got to send the responses now. So Michelle says demo 1K across all accounts. Okay. So like the funded account, guys. Obviously, he's trading a funded account, right? So demo means demos is simulated, funded, same thing. Alrighty. So I'm gonna wait for the responses to come in, and then we're gonna do an $80 giveaway today in 2 minutes. Okay, 2 more minutes.
They're gonna shoot through. They got some
TikTok
double
really
tops.
don't want to win no money. These people don't give a shit.
They got some double tops on Ian.
Do you
Then somebody in
want
Discord gonna win
do you
$80.
want the total number or how many accounts?
Any number, just any number, any number. So you can just say per account. It's like per account, which is right around the same. So like per account.
What? How many accounts do you have?
It doesn't matter. So like just one number. So like what I'm saying is like let's just say he's trading 5 accounts and you say $500, and like just as long as you're right to within $200 or something like that, $250, then like I'll give it away.
Okay.
Then you win $80. We'll Cash App you or Zelle you $80. Send it over. So
He already said how much he made.
Wait, he did?
Yeah.
Okay. So
15K.
He said 15K.
I'll send it to you after the giveaway. Send out the screenshot. We're getting ready to do it right now. And then we'll give it to somebody inside Discord because nobody inside TikTok responded. Don't nobody want to guess.
Shirley was close. Shirley was close.
Wait, how much did he say? He sent it out?
15K.
What? Where's it at?
He said 1,500 a while ago. I think that's what you're confusing it with.
Oh, no. He didn't send it out. Okay. Guys, whenever he sends out the screenshot, then you missed the chance to win the $80. So TikTok, you got to send out a number for how much you think he's up. So, and either say live account or a funded account. And like if you're to within $400 both ways, which is $200 up or down, then you win $80 in cash. He says, when did I say that? Yeah, when did he say that? You see how people just be...
I thought somebody said.
Rumors
I
be
thought
spreading?
15. I thought it was this.
Snoop said
Yeah, I thought he said 15K.
Nah, no, he
That's
didn't.
a telephone.
Okay, 14K. Okay, 6K live.
My bad.
We'll see. All righty. All right, AC has to send it out, and then we'll start the giveaway. I'll text you my
AC,
phone number.
send it, AC.
I'll text you my phone number, AC, so you can send me the $40, and then I'll send it out to whoever it is. Guys, yeah, well, no. BJT says 14,500. Okay, we'll see. Hey, do I send the screenshot now? He says absolutely. Send it right now. So we're waiting. Right, hold on, real quick. We're waiting right now so we can see, sir. There we go. Hold on. Right now, we're waiting so we can see. Yes. Let's see what we got. Either way, if he's only up $100, it's okay. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. Guys, even if it only makes $25,
That'd be crazy.
It better be.
So who cares?
That
Then
felt
guess
crazy.
what? You just won $80 off of $20, off of $25. Who cares, guys? We gotta celebrate people's success. I don't care I don't care if he said it's break even. Who cares? Today's a good day for everybody. I'm being so serious. SoFlo says 12K. Oh, there we go. 8,000. Who won?
Shirley?
No, Shirley was
No,
close.
you said
Shirley
300?
13K. Shirley was spamming. She said 13K, then she said 6K.
Because somebody said 15 in here.
Who said? Damn.
If you was trying to get that, you might as well just send it up the string.
Damn, nobody won.
If you double it, I'm pretty close.
I said $8,500 at some point. You did? Well, she was close.
Check with this 1 minute though. I'm
She
going
did?
in.
She said 30. Shay said 8,500. Where she sent it at? Shay was spamming. What she said? Oh, she did say $8,500 at first. Ooh, that was pretty close.
Shay got that.
Should we still send her $40 though, Shay? AC, just because she was close.
Yes.
Let's just send her the $40.
We'll send that. Send that.
Coming up.
Let's just send her
Send that,
$40.
send that.
She was close, but we'll still just send her $40. Maybe she can just grab herself something to lunch. I'll shoot you my phone number, AC. Okay. Hold on. Was this
Way
the
to go,
live
Shay.
account?
Way to go.
He said, "Nah, I didn't make 8K. I made 6K. How's this
What
possible?"
happened?
Oh, he's up 6K. Oh shoot, up 6,000 on the cash account. Okay, well listen. Look, here's the deal. I don't want to be an Indian giver. So we'll still give Shay the money because we don't like to pull people. You said within $200, nobody won. Yeah, I know. But I'll still shoot.
But she was close.
Yes, no, she was $2,000 off. But I made her believe she
She
won.
still got it.
Yeah, I know. I'll still give it to her. Oh, 6K live. Holy shit, Shirley won.
That's
Did
what I
she win?
said.
Shirley said
But she said
6K. Boy, Shirley was spamming though. She said
said she was
13K,
spamming, though.
6K. Man, was it?
Shirley haven't had her coffee yet.
No, this is a live account.
As
I
she
can tell it's a
should.
live account because you see that right there. It says equity right there. You see that?
You ain't say one entry only.
I'll double it. Yeah, see that?
Exactly. He ain't say one entry, so
Oh yeah, okay.
devil is
He
in the
ain't say
detail.
one
He didn't
Still
say
just
one
Shirley.
entry. He didn't say one entry though.
Alrighty. So, hold on. I said one entry, didn't I? Did I?
No.
Yeah,
You said
Yeah,
one
you
number.
said one entry.
One number.
He said
Went to
one
the
entry.
feds. He said that. He
You
said
can't
that
keep
after she
writing
already.
He said one number. He
Oh,
said one number, one amount.
one.
Okay.
Facts.
One. You
Alrighty.
said one. Yes,
Alrighty.
that's it.
Alrighty.
You can't keep changing.
So that's what we'll do.
Split it.
Yeah. We'll split it. So we'll send Shorty
Split it, Chris.
Shirley 40, then we'll send Shay 40. It's up, yeah. We'll do that. We'll send them $40. Discord lawyers deep. Yeah, I know. So we'll send them some cash. Or something.
Word.
Discord. There
We
go.
need these people on the YSL case.
Anyway.
He's on the YSL case.
Oh, yeah.
If Mama Trey was in here, you'd have to split that 3 ways.
All right.
I feel like Shirley went back and back tested all of his trades that they came in with that. I will lie.
Alrighty. So here's the deal. So to whoever won, Shirley, you want it via Apple Pay, or you want it, or you want me to give you like a month and a half's worth of billing? What you want? And then the same thing with Shay. What you want? Because we can send it to you right now. What you want? So I'll just send it to you right now, and then AC will just send it to me later. So I'll send you 40 right now, or you can do the billing. It's up to you. Just take yourself out to lunch or something like that today. Count it towards billing. Okay, Shay says. Okay, what about Shirley? You want me to send it to you right now, Shirley? Because I can send it to you right now.
Yeah, man, send
Yes, sir.
that
I'll send it
fine.
to you right now.
Oh yeah, she be here.
Shirley said, yes, sir. About to go get Chipotle. Oh, I love Chipotle. I haven't been in a while.
Did anybody take this? Up the bounce of that 1 minute?
You're
Cannot receive
Nice.
payment with Apple Cash at this time. The hell is going on?
$15 minutes. Sip the business is formed.
Y'all alert.
5 minutes, 15 city. What we doing?
Wait, hold on.
Crazy work.
Great job today. Everybody. All right. Alrighty. So, Shay, DM me your email address. Oh my
ICME.
goodness! Look at that bounce.
ACME.
That's what I said. Who took this? Somebody took that?
ACME. ACME. What I say before we got into the pre-market? What I say? We're gonna gap down. And what we're gonna do? The day gonna be what? Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, man. I say that pre-market plan, you can go off of that shit, bro. I'm telling you, cause like on some real shit, when I was looking at it from 2 o'clock, I seen it. Okay, what it got to do to go higher? It got to go down. So what it been doing? You feel me? It been gapping down low key all night, low key. And so it was since out of that city that we hovered in and went up to and tapped into and ended the day in yesterday. You feel me? So that's how I was looking at it. And taking that pre-market plan and analyzing that as the day, what it's gonna be.
What shit?
That shit crazy, bro. It's crazy, bro. I'm gonna kill this guy on cue. I'm coming up here to this guy. When they gonna do it, I don't know. Yeah. 1050 coming up.
I know.
I'm tapping into a 15-minute SIBI.
I already took. Quick short, $50, up 300 for the day. Sitting Starbucks, haven't bought nothing.
15-minute SIBI on NES. Okay. This shit bullets. Slight pullback.
It's 1050 a bullish or bearish.
And I was like, hey, when you discussing what you were saying, I was trying to tell everybody they had some equal highs a long time ago. When that trade wise shot up, there was some equal highs on ES at 823 or 827, 75. If somebody would have took that trade and seen that, I was trying to say.
Yeah, Murdoch, I heard you and I was in the trade, Murdoch.
Yeah, it was ripped out right before the open.
Look at that dump out of that 15 minute, bro. Look at that dump out of that 15 minute.
I'm in it.
Literally was waiting for this. Waiting for this.
Dump out of that 15 minute, bro. That's just so crazy. Look at that dump out of
That shit. As soon as it touches, I knew that. As soon as it touches that, bro, right to PBR.
PP there.
Look at that. That's a big BBL. You see that dump?
1050.
That shit good.
Yeah, 1050 macro.
1050.
If it touches this 1 minute down here, that 1 minute SIBI down there, I'm busy. I'm probably gonna take a pause.
And SPY. Hey, E.
Yo, look at that dump.
Pre-market plan. Been alert. Pre-market plan executed on SPY.
You said SPX said what?
On SPY, pre-market plan executed. 700 took it out.
Oh wow! Oh my
Tap
goodness! They just reattacked it. Yo, hold on real quick. I'm trying to send
That's
this money out real quick, and I gotta take a look at that. That's
Hey,
crazy.
it all correlates. Tap into a 15-minute Sibi, y'all. Be on alert. Be on alert. Be on alert, ski. Pre-market plan. Saucy. That's the only way they can start. Honey, you know. Come on now. Put two together. Go read the pre-market plan. If you ain't read it. If not, he gonna go over it in a minute. Slightly. Or what we was talking about. If he wasn't in here.
Boy, taking 3 business days to send $40.
That's crazy, bro.
Shay, I did it. He said, we can't see, Brody. What can't you see? Oh, shoot. Chat's in the way. Sorry about that. My goodness, I apologize. Sorry about that.
You need to see. What y'all need to see. Y'all should be able to see
Thank
the
you for
same
the
thing.
heads up, Josh.
Fucking with y'all. I'm fucking with y'all. I'm fucking with y'all, bro. Let me stop trolling. How weak is it?
Murdoch. Murdoch 01.
But nah, bro. Shit. Be on alert. Be on alert. Be on alert. Might take one more trade. Should I take one more trade or should I take my profits for the day and go?
I was thinking too, bro.
You gotta ask. Probably best to walk away.
Yep, I'm done
Best to walk away,
today.
Yeah, for real. If you gotta ask that
That's right.
question, it's like,
Yeah, I don't care because I feel like I'm already over trading, bro. Like real shit. Like I already find myself.
Yeah,
like,
leave it alone, Murdoch. Put it to rest.
I find
Put it to
myself
rest.
like,
I just switched to paper trading. Carlo. I was thinking.
I made 15. I made 15 today. I'm done.
Good
Yeah, I
job.
made 840 for the day. Yeah, I made more than what I used to work.
I mean, I am 14,700 away from 15K, so I feel like I should keep on. Somebody got to make 15K in the chat, right?
15K? It's possible.
Somebody got to do it.
AC did it. 15K.
That's a double load about to take out right now. NQ right now at 72, 76, 70, 7650. Some double load they finna go for right now. Short side, looking good.
No, he said y'all overestimated it. I mean, all you gotta do is leverage more, but AC said we overestimated him with the 15K.
I mean, shit, I don't put it past nobody.
He put 7,000 in his pocket.
I don't put it past nobody. Anybody can make that money though. But it's the paper.
I'm waiting for it to tap into this 1 minute down here that hasn't tapped to it. It does. I'll take it to the long side.
I hope he make that money though. Yeah. I want him to make that money. Yeah. I want everybody to make that money. I want me to make that money. Yeah, I want, you know what I'm saying?
That's inspiration right there, Murdoch. That's inspiration.
Like real shit.
Alrighty, guys. I'm back. So we did the giveaway.
Look at that dump.
Alrighty, guys. We did the giveaway.
Congrats
and,
to the
we
winner.
sent it out over here. So also, Shay, just to let you know, I added 35 free days to both of them. So I added that for you. So like for you personally, I just want to let you know like it's not gonna bill you again until like the 1st of next year. Alrighty. So check my DM. Check my DM.
That's what's up.
Just so y'all know, I sent them over the service. So both people won the giveaway. 2 people won the giveaway. I don't like being an Indian giver. So like I don't like telling people that they won something and go, oh shit, never mind. Alrighty. So I
On the cool, they need to bless me with $5 of that though.
And
so lawyer fees?
Okay.
No, cheering fees. That's just cheering fees. That's cheering on the side.
Oh God.
Hey, here's the deal, guys. Guys, here's the deal. Because it's Thanksgiving, guys, listen. Here's the deal. Look. AC, guys, AC is doing so well to where just for being a part of Discord community, guys, we're gonna do another $40 giveaway to somebody here. All right.
Let's go.
So
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
I got a question, AC.
All right, man.
AC. So guys, this is what we do inside Discord, just to let you know. So one of the students in here, he just started trading in April. He just started trading in April. He staked me on a TikTok for like 2 or 3 months. Guys, and like this is what I was saying. Guys, I promise you, guys, when you start making $5,000 to $10,000 a day in like a few minutes, guys, you're gonna want to help other people out. Why not? Alrighty? No, not that, Chilo. Nope, not that. Because you're incentivizing people to potentially take trade setups that they're not gonna take. And they're gonna be willing to hold on to trades and nope, not in paper trade. Nope, delete that. Nope, delete that. Yeah, no, brother, because someone will see a setup going against them and like they'll be like, oh my goodness, I'm at 90 ticks. I'll hold. And like this should go against them, they'll blow up their account. Nah. Don't do that. Delete that.
Chilo crazy. He tried to do some challenges in this mug.
Yeah, nope. Because
I can
brother,
do it. I'll do
brother,
it.
because someone will have a 50 or 60 tick setup.
I'll do it. Give me the challenge.
And they'll be like,
give me a
damn.
challenge. I'll give you 100 ticks right now.
Let me try and hold this trade for 100 ticks to try and make $40, and then they'll blow up the entire account. So nope. No. Good thought though. I can't. Diego said this way. Yeah, nah, hell no. Nope. I thought about that instantly. You want to know why?
Yeah, that's true.
I thought about that because that's something that I would have did years ago. Because I would have been like, well, shit, my normal trade set up is 60 ticks. I could make an extra $40 if I hold on to this bitch. And I'll blow up the account. Nope. No giveaway.
That kind of trading turn against you.
Okay. So we're gonna do a giveaway right now. Let's do a giveaway. So we're gonna do a giveaway from Discord. I'm gonna create an app. Settings. Hold on. Where's the giveaway button? How do I do this? How do I do the giveaway? Nas bot. Giveaway bot. Okay. Create a giveaway. Alrighty. How do I do this? AC. Yeah, I'll check my DM, brother. I promise you. I should, you know what I'm saying, brother. So what it is, bro, is like I'll just shoot the money over to people or whatever, and like we can just do it. Then you just give me on the back end. I don't think you're gonna run off on the plug for $80. So AC, you want to just do $40 or you want to do $80 to then make it $120 today? Oh, no, I sent you a message. Oh my goodness! Wow! Excellent. I'm gonna text you in a minute, AC. Guys, we're gonna do a $200 cash giveaway today, total. So we're gonna do a $160 giveaway. I got a question.
Let's go!
Cash.
Oh, snap.
And this ain't gonna, nah, guys, listen, cause this ain't no $40. So I'm not gonna, guys. I don't want, guys. I don't want to be like, hey, you want a year's memberships? What? No, this gonna be cash. This one right here is gonna be cash. So I got a question. So AC is gonna round. He said, fuck it, I'll round up to $200 because he's getting ready to withdraw $5,000 today. I'm assuming from one of his accounts. I'm assuming that's how that works. I don't know how the live cash account works from My Fund Futures. But long story short, guys, this is made possible. Let me send this out. Long story short, guys, this is made possible. Guys, this is what happens inside Discord. So he just started trading, what I was saying earlier, he just started trading like April or May. And then he staked me out for a month, and after 2 months, he was blowing up the accounts. I had to tell him to stop trading. And now he's one of the more profitable students that we have inside here, right? And guys, I promise you, when your life changes, you're gonna want to help other people. Look what he says. I'll send it out, because that's my guy, so like, I know he's not gonna care. That's what he says. So I don't want to put words inside of his mouth. You'll see. So he says this. He says, I can double it to 80 or 120. If you want to send them more, I'll send you 120. We should tell the winners to help send something to the homeless veterans in their area too with the money we send. So yeah, guys, listen. The men and women of service, I consider the veterans the military, of course, but also, guys, the teachers, the garbage men, even the teacher, the garbage men, the firemen, men and women of service, all of them, right? So, guys, this is what I want. I want to create a community like this, guys, to where I don't want you to be like, man, I'm paying $5,000 a month for something like this. So you know what? I'm going to just keep the rest of my money that I make to myself. No, I want it to be like, man, I'm doing so well to where like I want to help others. And this is how we truly help others, guys. Serious now, obviously the money's differently. But what I'm saying is like, we get to do things like going to go give away food to the people in need, going to a food bank. You know what I'm saying? Like helping our community, one person at a time. And it spreads. It spreads. Yeah, it might be cool that you can make $5,000 to $10,000 a day after a few months of doing this with us, sure. But what are you going to do in order to help other people? That stuff right there transcends time. So we're getting ready to do a giveaway right now. So I want to do a poll here. And the poll is, no, I'm sorry. First, I want to do a poll. I'm going to do a poll. I'm going to create a poll here. And this poll is going to be, AC, he said, all it takes is one good deed. Absolutely, SoFlo. See, this one good deed is this. You join here, I pass that one good deed on to you. I just need 4 to 6 months of your time for you to begin to understand. And then you can begin to piece it all together. I swear to God. That good deed is you going, yo, everybody else was trying to charge me $1,000 to $2,000 a month minimum to do this. He's willing to talk to me, free classes, all this stuff. I'm gonna take advantage of this. I do this and I devote just a few $100s over the course of a couple $100, just a couple $100 max over the course of a year, and I master this. Well, damn, my life has changed. And now, and then you'll probably go, whoa, shit, damn. What is he asking from me in return? Is he asking me $5,000 to $10,000, $20,000 in return once I make it, or a percentage of my profits? Let me offer it that to him. And you know what I'm gonna tell you? No. Go feed the homeless veterans in your area. Go donate to a local food bank. I'm gonna tell you that. And then guess what? You're gonna go, ooh, wow, I feel so good. I was making off like a fat bandit. Now you know what? Let me go try and help somebody else. Just like that. And that other person's gonna go, hey, what are you asking of me? They're gonna be skeptical at first. But then just show up every single day and just not ask nothing of them. And I promise you to make you feel better. I promise you. All righty? So, one good deed transfers to the next. All righty? One small act followed by another can change the world. All righty, guys. I know it sounds very cliche, but it's true. This poll is this. So this poll we're going to do. Oh, AC, I got a question. So we already sent Shirley $40. So you want to do $100? So guys, do you guys want to do $160 total, as in $40 for 3 people, or do you want to do $80 for 2 people, or $160 for 1 person? Ain't but so many people inside Discord anyway. So I'm gonna send out this poll. Profit split. We're gonna do $40 for 3 people, or we're gonna do $80 for 2 people. This is a democracy. Or we're gonna do $160 for 1 person. Inside Discord. Duration. Damn. Shit. I can't make it shorter than that. It's not gonna last an hour. This is gonna close within like the next 10 minutes. So we got to do it right now. Hold on. And this is for the people that's on live stream right now, as a matter of fact. So, Discord, you need to vote right here because I'm going to close this within like the next 4 minutes. And then I'm going to start another giveaway. And then I'm going to start the giveaway based off what we got. And then we're going to do it like that. So, AC's going to give away $200, which is a decent amount of money today. This is one of the members inside Discord. We're going to give it away for free right before Thanksgiving. Hang out with your people. Do something. So vote over here on this. I'll revisit this in a minute. So we all guys, we all need to vote on this poll here. AC can vote too if he wants to. Split it up to help more people in the community. Yeah, we could split it up. But somebody might want to go for that for that grand prize, that grand slam. I don't know. I don't know what you want to do. I don't know if you want to go for the grand slam or not. We're going to do this. We're going to do the giveaway. For sure. Anyway, guys, that's all that I want. I promise you this will be you. Soon. Very soon. We're helping people out. So you can do the 20. I'm sorry. Hold on. What the fuck is that? I put that wrong. I'm sorry. Not $20 for two people. I meant, guys, I meant to type $80. Damn it. Guys, it's $80. Guys, it's $80 for two people.
That's why you never got no vote.
Oh my God. Hold on real quick. Let me delete this shit. What the fuck am I doing? What the hell? Was I drunk? Hold on. I'm going to delete this.
Start it over. Start it over. Start it over.
Hold on. You're mad as shit. What the fuck was I thinking?
Say
Am I
E.
drunk?
Say E.
Why
Say
did nobody
E.
say, yo, what's up with that math? Jesus Christ.
We thought you just look. We just thought maybe
I was
you
talking
was
the
just
same time I was
tripping on
doing
that
it.
part.
Poll for a giveaway.
Hey, if you send me, hey E, if you send me that cash app, your cash app, I'll give her another $100.
Right. Yeah, bro. Yeah,
You making
come on,
a
bro. Really? I'll
Thanksgiving
send it to you
prize.
right now. You need my social?
Thanksgiving prize.
$40.
Yeah, send me your cash app, bro. Send me your cash app. I'll send $100 to help out.
$40 for 4 people. That's $160. Then we got $80 for 2 people. I'm sorry. What the hell?
I'm gonna say my breath for Christmas. The Christmas giveaway gonna be crazy.
For Christmas, ain't it?
The Christmas giveaway gonna be nuts.
Well, we got $160 for one person. Let's see.
Well, I'm with you, AC.
No, I'm gonna add to it. E. I'm gonna add to it.
DME trying to add to it.
Really?
He trying to put.
You trying to add to it? What you got?
He's trying to add to it so he can get his money back.
A Honda. I got a Honda.
He's trying to put 100.
You gonna sell $100?
Yeah.
Wow.
He
Okay.
put another 100 on the table.
Oh wow.
He put
Oh
another
wow.
100 on the
I didn't know you
table.
was gonna do that. Okay, so what we got? So we got AC doing. So AC's done 200, but he's already committed $40 to Shirley. So we're gonna do a $300 cash giveaway inside Discord. Wow.
Oh
For
my
the holidays.
Lord.
Everybody's
Oh
doing
my
well.
Lord.
Okay. So for this we got 160 plus 100. We got $260. $260 divided by, hold on.
We do for Christmas too. I got 250 with you, AC.
Everybody got to vote. Everybody must vote.
Yeah, 260.
I can't do Thanksgiving. I just bought the biggest turkey, but it's a turkey shortage. I bought this one.
Take that turkey back. Take it back.
It's already in the fridge.
Poll for giveaway. So that's what we got. We're gonna do. That's gonna be about 40. It's gonna be about $40, about $40 to $45, right? But that's what we're gonna do. So like, I'll make up the difference. It's okay. So we'll do $45, because I'll round it up. $45 for 6 people. Or we'll do $90 for 3 people. Or we will do $270 for 1 person. 45 for 6. Hey, Michelle says. I actually
Let's get it.
We're gonna do the giveaway right now. Poll giveaway, and we'll just label it the Thanksgiving giveaway, just because. Even though Thanksgiving is completely.
Absolutely.
All righty, so we'll start the giveaway now. Everybody needs to vote. Hold on, right quick. Let me respond to this, because other people might not be on stream. Hold on. We are doing Thanksgiving cash giveaway. Damn, what the hell? Someone typing giveaway. Everyone.
Shirley and Shay should have put theirs back in there.
They ran off like a bandit with their money. We are doing cash giveaway, everyone. I'm gone, baby. She got that money. She ran off like a bandit. Okay, what we got going on here? So people can still see the market. Let's make this.
Damn it, Batman.
All righty. So what we got? So we're gonna do the giveaway here shortly, right here, right now. So we're gonna close the giveaway in give people 7 minutes or so. Hold on. Let me start this poll here. I'll send you 240 each, so the $40 goes to Shirley, and the rest splits even. Okay. All right then, brother. Hold on. I'm gonna text you my phone number. I'll text you my phone number right now. AC, you got an Android? What the hell's going on with that? Why am I texting you and the numbers coming up green?
Ain't no way.
It's a trash phone. It's a trash phone.
Oh, I'm
If
sorry.
AC got an Android, bro.
I'm sorry.
That's what he
No. I'm sorry. I put the wrong number in. Okay, my bad.
Give AC his money back because he got an Android.
I missed it by 1 digit. Okay. Whew. No, I'm just kidding. Guys, Androids are better than iPhones. I was just joking. It's a running joke.
I know it is. You're right. It's a running
They
joke.
are. Yeah, guys, it's a running joke, but all just aside, guys, Androids are better than iPhones now they are. I promise they are.
Now he done slipped and bumped his neck.
And I got 2 iPhones. I got the 16 Pro Max and I got the 17 Pro Max. I promise you. And I know for a fact that they're better, man. Seriously. Alrighty. So we're doing the Thanksgiving giveaway, guys, for everybody inside Discord, just to let you know. Better in every way. Yeah, they are. And I got an iPhone. Yep. Chris says, yeah, they are. And I got an iPhone. Yeah, they are, Chris. I'm telling you. The cameras are better. The battery is better.
My $100
The battery is better.
My $100 just fell off the table.
but see me, I'm telling you, brother. Listen, bro, because I didn't realize that that the Androids got the Androids have the deliver messages now. So it'll show you when someone reads the messages now. So you can do read receipts on there, and you can FaceTime on Android.
Yeah, they just did that.
I didn't realize you could do that.
Months ago.
Apple been doing that. Bro, Apple been doing that, bro.
But Android wasn't doing that.
What I'm saying is Android wasn't doing that before. iPhone was doing that. Yeah, they've been doing that. But now you can FaceTime off Androids, and they have read receipts on Androids now. I promise you.
Android didn't have rev receipts until 3 months ago. It was something about
All
like
my life I've been with Apple. All my life I've been with Apple, and I
Yeah, man,
struggle
me too.
with other phones, and Apple just been the best for me.
that's because Apple's is like the simple little kid phone.
Yeah.
That's why every kid get an iPad.
Yeah, Apple is just
Really?
more simple. Like, if you're with them, brother, but you can upgrade the memory on your phone, bro. You can upgrade the memory on the phones, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? There's nothing now at this point in time that an iPhone can do that an Android cannot do. And Android and the top of the line Droids can do more. They're lighter. The screens are more bright. They got they got OLED screens. It's crazy, bro. They got red receipts. You can FaceTime off of
You
them.
mu-
It's crazy, bro. But you know,
y'all must been you must have been smoking this morning or something. Man, you all right? You okay?
yeah. All right, guys. Let's see what we got. Hold on. What's going on with the Discord? Sorry, you must have been smoking this one. All right, guys. So poll for Thanksgiving here is starting here. Hold on real quick. Let me send this out inside the platinum chat just so other people go, hey man, I wasn't on live stream, man. And I missed that, bro. Dang, bro. Let me send this out inside the platinum chat real quick. Hold on.
On a side note, yo, Chico,
Yeah, go ahead.
can you explain why you in that trade right now? Or like, what's your rationale with that?
On the short.
Yeah, if you're still in it.
You know, the short still?
Yeah, short.
I probably know why.
I was targeting them equal lows, but they just messing around and stuff. There's like a 1 minute CB around 24,846. I should have wait, but I'm gonna just see how it goes. I'm probably gonna get top out here, but it's all good.
Let's see what you're looking at.
All right, cool. I just went because 11:50 coming up. There's no real. You just hear it. No man's land.
I'm just gonna give it some time and re-enter on it, but I wanted to play it to see how it goes. So I know for a fact that one day will work out because I got tap out.
Send screenshots on Discord. Send screenshots of what? She said send screenshots of what? Also, guys, remember animal shelters too, Melissa? Yeah. Hurry, my phone overheats when I'm in here. Deja says, okay, Deja, we got you. Deja, I promise you, if you win, I promise you we're not going to... sorry, y'all. T-work. What's this?
Yo, it's 1 minute shipping
my
of
phone overheats
biscuits.
when we in. What kind of phone you got? Overheating. It's done. I'm going back to TikTok.
Say, E, send me your
all right.
you gonna send me your cash out?
You want as a matter of fact, I'll just text you my phone number. You can just DM me. Hold on. You got Apple Pay or you want Cash App? Which one's easier for you?
Cash out.
Cash App? All right, bet. I'm gonna shoot it to you right now.
I have both, but cash out.
All right, bet. I'll do the Cash App right now.
Bro, I remember Cash App used to be like everybody should be scared of Cash App. It's like everybody back on Cash App now.
Dude, Cash App had a breach, and with my bank, man, and my bank had to come up with all that money for all the members, and I almost wiped them out, bro.
Yeah, they had to pay all that money back.
Yeah, they had to pay like
pull-ups.
I know it was up in 100,000.
Damn, that's
Wow.
crazy. That's crazy work. Pull-ups.
Bullish.
Look at this.
I sent it to you, Sammy. So
Man,
I sent it to
All
you.
right, appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Murdoch, you still holding?
No, I'm out. I love
you done for the day.
like on the real shit. Like when I
Just
be
turned
in
my
this
phone. Is it over? No, it's not over, Deja. It's not over, Deja. It's not over because we haven't, Deja. It's not over because we haven't even started the actual poll yet. So like the poll is getting ready to start, and like the poll right now for the giveaway bot is getting ready to start in like 4 or 5 minutes. So
hold on, what you gotta do? Hold on, what you gotta do? I just gotta.
I'm gonna give you some time in order for that phone to cool off that you got, Deja. Don't
Hey,
worry.
hey, hey.
Hey, you texted E or you
I
emailed
DM'd
it?
it to you on Discord. I DM'd it to you and check your DM inside Discord.
Hey, E.
I bet.
Yo, talk to me.
The poll where it's in the platinum chat, or is it? Where you dropped it at?
Oh, if you look at my screen, it's right here. The poll is so yeah, the poll is right up here. So it's the poll for the giveaway. So you can either choose $45 for 6 people, 90 for 3, or $270 for 1 person.
Okay. And
Right.
if you vote that you win the contest, you gotta
No.
vote to be in the. Okay.
No, so this vote right here is just to determine what
see who
the
gets
giveaway
paid
poll
out.
is going to be. So I'm either going to set the giveaway up so 6 people win, or 3 people win, or 1 person wins, depending upon this. That's what you're voting on right now. So the actual poll, the actual giveaway isn't going to start till about 11:30. That's what I'm waiting on, if that makes sense.
Ooh, that's a good little 90, 45. Hey, I'd rather see a lot of people win.
Yeah. So that's completely up to y'all because because this is a democracy inside here. Whenever you join, guys, it's a democracy. It's a respectable democracy. So like, if more people go, bro, no, I want the 270. Then that's just what we're gonna do. So I can't tell you which one to go with. I can't tell you that.
I'm gonna fill that gap on Pew. We're gonna go fill that
But
gap
we're
on
gonna. She
Pew.
said, "Okay, cool. I voted for the 6." Deja says, "Okay, Deja." But for the cash giveaway, I voted. Did you redo that too? No. Same thing. It's right there. So if you voted for the 6 right here, Deja, as you can see on your screen, if you voted for that, then okay, then I'm gonna click show results in like 2 more minutes, and I'm gonna set this poll up in a minute. Hold on. If you're inside Discord and like if you can't listen to my voice, then you need to come over here to the Platinum chat. And if you click on this link right here, guys, if you come over here, if anyone's not new to anything, you click on this link right here, it'll pull you to the poll right here, and you click one of these. I'm not gonna vote because I'm not gonna participate. So this is just for the people inside Discord, just for you. Hey, if you win $90 for 3 people, great. If you win $45, hey, you get like a little lunch, something like that. All right. Like how Mullah said, this right here comes with stipulations though. If you win that $45, I better see a timestamp screenshot of you smiling inside the camera, and you better write it down on a piece of paper, and you better say, "Hey, I'm at Chipotle." If not, I'm gonna call the bank and I'm gonna say fraud. You better use it for what it says. All right. Better use it for what it says. Just say, "Hey, look, I ain't your little boyfriend now. If I ain't your little boyfriend now. If I send you some bread, you better not be at that damn nail shop. You better use that. You better send me a screenshot." Shit. Tell a motherfucker, yeah, I need this shit. I need some bill money, and then you over there get a goddamn plug. I'll just tease. I'm being funny. You can use your money. I'll just tease.
Yeah, a couple of folks right there.
I'm talking about, hey, Daddy, help me out with these bills. Hey, Daddy, help me out with the bills. Shit, I send you $500, and I look on Instagram, shit, and you in the club shaking ass. Hell no. What the hell is going on? Shit. And your nails look like Cardi B
Yeah, I gave it
nails.
to the single mom.
Leaving the nail salon lady $200 on a tip. And you posting the receipt talking about I got it like that, and I look at the tip and it say $200 tip. What the hell is going on? No, I'm just teasing. That has never happened to me. I swear to God, it's never happened to me. But it's a running joke that I always see on Instagram. It's funny. Anyway, giveaway. Well, we're about to show the results here. Let's see what we got. Shirley say, yo, yeah, man.
Say E, is that the one that says B whatever it is? What is it?
Yeah, it says Boruto Trades. So it's $ Boruto Trades with a Z. Yeah, that's me. My
All
name's
right, cool.
Chicago. It should say Eric Campbell.
Gotcha.
Yo, E, check your phone, brother. All righty. Yo, Sean crazy. Oh man, excuse me. Sorry. Hold on. Hey, AC, you can send it to me via Zelle, brother. It don't gotta be Apple Pay. It don't gotta be Apple Pay. Yeah. Just hold on real quick. I'm gonna send it to you right now. Hold on. I'm gonna send you the new thing. Nye, it's nice. It's Nye's birthday. Happy birthday, Nye. Happy birthday, Nye. I'm celebrating my B-Day. What you say? I'm celebrating my B-Day all week, so I'm trying to shake something. Oh, works. Go and do your thing, sister. I ain't mad at you. I promise I ain't mad at you.
Starty ass. Hey.
Shake some.
Shorty
Word.
crazy.
I hear you,
talking
sister.
about. She talking about.
She said she's trying to shake
shake
some.
some.
Yes, ma'am. Be safe
She
out there.
talking about. Hey, some. I'm weak.
Look at the market. CME just sent the $100. Thank you, sir. I just received it. We're getting ready to do the giveaway right now. Hold on. Alrighty. Hold on real quick. I'm gonna start this poll right now. I ain't mad at you. Thanks, Shaw. It's 11:30. Your birthday's on the 30th? Guess what? Nah, that's my mom's birthday. I'm not even joking. That's my mom's birthday.
You for real?
Yeah,
That's my mom's
swear to God.
birthday too.
My mom's birthday is November 30th.
November 30th. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, I know I look for something.
AC say he trying to look.
Oh, niggas are good, bro.
Yeah, bro said LeBron. Bro said Bron looking right. Yeah, exactly. What club y'all going to? Let me know. My pop's birthday too, Mula. I said, wow, that's dope, man. Look at how small the community. Look at how small our community is. Really? Oh wow. Happy birthday to your mom. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I got my mom a early birthday gift. I got her a brand new knife set, a really nice cutlery set, whatever it's called, cutlery set, and I bought her one of those Tempur-Pedic beds that go up and down. You know, like the
Sleep number.
ones. Yeah, the
Is
sleep
that the
number
one?
is
Is
zero
that the
gravity
one on
ones.
Amazon with the heating and
You'll
cooling?
have to run around the city all day looking for that motherfucker.
Man, what? Man. So yeah. I got her that.
There's one
and
on
then
Amazon
I got
with heating
her,
and cooling.
and then what else? Oh yeah, and then I got her a nice pots and pans set. It was just something simple from Walmart
Yeah.
for $200.
It's still early too.
Yeah,
Still
yeah.
early. Still early. There's some slight. Slight word.
What knife set did you get? Cutco? Did you get Cutco knife set?
Nah, man, I got this. Hold on, look. I'll tell you the name of it right now. Man, man, this knife set right here was so sharp that like I took it out of the thing and it touched my skin and it cut me. I've never seen a knife set this sharp. Guys, Walmart sells this really good knife set right here. Guys, it's just something simple. It's called hold on. I'm gonna tell you the name right now. Because I got it on the Walmart app. It is hold on, pull it up. Guys, if you're looking for a cutlery set, trust me, go with this one. It's called the Pioneer Woman 14-piece knife block set. It was $70. It was $70. Really good. And then I got her a green pan essence.
What's up?
Yeah, 17-piece ceramic non-stick cookware. Just something simple for $150, $149. Just that, so just something nice, just because she just needed some new pots and pans. That was it. And then I got her the little bit. Well, just because she has back problems. Anyway, what did you take today?
I have one of those sleep numbers, man. I love it.
What, the zero gravity joint?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, for sure. Let me see here. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, man. Heard some really good things about it. Chase and Trey said,
Yo, Apex just dropped to 80%. Black Friday sales.
with
Apex
the 40%. I mean,
just dropped to 80%.
with the $40 activation.
You just stole my announcement. Wow.
Gotta be quicker than that, bro.
Wow. I was literally about to say that.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, the 90% sale is 90% sale is the best because you can get a crap load of evaluation accounts, and then like you can almost go hit and miss with those. So like you can just like gun and sling those, and like you only pay more than $16 or $17 whenever you know you're getting a funded account. So like the 90% sale is still the best one, even though they run an 80% off. It's still the best one, to be honest with you. Just to let you know. It's for sure the best one for the Eval Instapass, but I'm not gonna get into that. Anyway, the poll's getting ready to end. Is it Ninja? What you mean? No. You're talking about the thing, CC? Nah. Nah, it's not. It's I just sent it to you. Okay, my guy. My guy. All right, guys. I'm getting ready to start this poll up right now. Hold on real quick. Let me get this together. Is it worth me buying if I'm not done with the classes? Of course it is. Because you still need to learn both. You don't need to fully perfect and understand every single intricacy on the 2022 and 2023 mentorship, Tano. You can so like because there's a lot of different things inside Discord that you're only going to understand once you're inside Discord. And like I'm gonna be honest with you, like if you're still trying to understand, like you need a community and you need to be showing up to these classes and you need to be asking questions. In your early development, you need to be looking at it as though, okay, I'm going to pay $29 to access to 4 classes, and I'm going to ask solid questions at the end. I'm sorry, at the end, and then I'm going to ask solid questions leading up to that class so that we can go over that so that you can begin to implement those things. You cannot do that if you're just on an $11 knowledge community page. You can't. So you need to look at it as though, okay, I'm going to get, because for every question I spend about 30, 45 minutes on it. So you're like, if I ask 1 or 2 questions, I probably get about like an hour worth of one-on-one instruction. You need to look at it as though, okay, so I get 4 of those per month. So I get about 4 hours of potential one-on-one instruction for $29. That's how you need to be like, screw the models. Like I'm talking about like as you're learning and trying to progress. Like that, like this is how I would break it down. And then once you begin to understand, and then you can understand, and then a few of the models that make sense to you, then you can start to look at the profitable models and stuff like that inside Discord. That's how I would look at it. That's how I would break this down if it were me. Like if I was like, okay, what can I get out of this immediately? The thing that you're going to get immediately out of being inside Discord, the largest value is going to be the one-on-one classes on the weekend and the instruction on that. Because no profitable trader is going to sit down for you with anything less than $500 for an hour. So like this is like one of my acts to the community that will immediately begin to implement. You can immediately implement that as far as that's concerned. That's how I would look at it. He says Roger. Yep. 80% off, $40, and yeah. So yeah. So
1150 coming up too.
I can't even buy any accounts. 1150 macros coming up. Let me start this poll right here before the 1150 macro real quick. Lock in.
Dangerous though. Kind of, this 1150 kind of dangerous.
I'm waiting for it to tap right here. If it tap into these 2 1 minutes and it's 5, on a bounce. Not perfect, but it's right there. That's gonna get clapped. What you see, Murdoch? Why you said that?
I mean, I'm in a long right now, but like,
I come back into this. It's a perfect pullback.
maybe I don't want it to be an inverse. Cause the only higher time frame we really tap to is the 15-minute city. And we in a 15-minute city.
It's 2 1 minutes and a 5.
We're just taking this.
Oh, okay.
But we creating a 15-minute right now on NQ. As we going up and on ES. But we inside a 15-minute city. That's the thing.
We just flashed VWAP a couple minutes ago, by the way.
But I'm taking it.
Let's I'm gonna check this poll and I'm gonna see what this poll says. Check this poll. Check this poll so that we can see which is the one that we want. So the overwhelming result was $45 for 6 people. So 6 people inside Discord will win $45 in cash today. We will do that today. All right, that's what we're gonna do. It's $45 for 6 people. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna set up the poll right now. Inside the giveaway channel.
Diego, I'm in a long.
What you got in right now?
Well, I've been in it, but it been balanced.
Yeah. You want like your actual account or your paper train? I mean, nothing that matters.
I already made my money for the day. I chilled out on that shit.
Yeah, I got one micro I was gonna take right here.
Number of winners, 6 people. Prize, $45. So in the description, I'm gonna write Happy Holidays. And then we obviously have to give credit to the people that are making this possible. So we have so we are thanking. I'm put made possible. I don't care about the credit. Made possible by, for me, made possible by AC and CME. See me change.
Oh yeah, they're going right now.
Look at that. See that? They're going.
Back to Denver.
This poll right here is going to last 1 hour. We're going to do a giveaway in 1 hour and 1 hour and we'll do it 1 hour from now. Y'all want to do the poll at 1:30 or 2 o'clock? Just start saying some numbers. Which y'all want? 1:30 or 2 o'clock? Which one y'all want to do it at? 1:30.
1:30.
Huh? 1:30. Okay, so
1:30.
All right, bet.
1:30. 1:30.
All right, bet.
Seven folks said 1:30 a time hack. That's disturbing his time hack.
So what did this do it for?
Focus. He got to focus. Seven folks, you crazy.
Real talk, for real. That's he right about that.
Nah, you good, bro? Like, nah, you seven folks, you good, bro. Anybody in this long with me?
Yes, sir.
I'm not in yet. I'm waiting for confirmation.
You gotta stop that.
In the middle.
It's pushing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 11:50. Lock in. Lock in. Lock in. 7 minutes. Lock in. About to fully TP. Gonna fully TP. Fully TP out at 24:09/2/25.
Let's see how they react right here. Because I jump in that first. Come here. Come here. Come to big come. Sure, come right here. Mm-hmm. Nice and easy. Nice and slow. And I'm getting in right here at 24:820.
Sorry guys. I was on mute. So, guys, listen. Y'all need to look at my screen, and y'all need to come over here to the cashback giveaway channel inside Discord, and y'all need to come over here, and y'all need to click this. If you click this, you'll be entered to be one of the 6 winners that's going to win $45 today. Okay? So, alrighty. So, I said please respond to the giveaway. So, like, you can't respond inside this channel, but you respond by clicking this. And I said this is made possible just to let y'all know by AC And by see me change, seeing me. You know, just guys, just some of the people inside Discord, guys, are just starting just to help people out. All right. Just hey, something a little small. Hey guys, something like this maybe can brighten your day a little bit. Something, something simple. So it's right on over here. All right. So Deja that's inside Discord, that's listening on TikTok, this is it right here. So like you need to enter here by pressing this button. You press this button, you can enter. 6 people are gonna win. I'm obviously not gonna press the button. Otherwise I would to show you. Alrighty? So guys, we do giveaways from time to time inside Discord, guys, just to give back to the community, to the people that are willing to invest in themselves and stuff like that, guys. We do it pretty frequently, to be honest with you. All right, guys. So we're giving out today. Today we'll give out today we'll give out like a total of like over $300, $350, something like that. I don't know. My math is shit. I went in and did it. Had to get out so I could hear and use the other apps. Okay, good job, Deja. Make sure you click that button. Yeah, click that button, and then the giveaway bot's automatically going to choose 6 people at 1:30. So we'll revisit this at 1:30. Time to log back in. This is one of the things that we do inside here. We give back to the people inside here, just to let you know. Wouldn't it be crazy if Shirley won multiple times? That'd be kind of crazy.
It happened multiple times.
Yeah, it has happened multiple times. Alrighty, let's lock in. 1150 macro, look at that. They dumped it. They popped this liquidity up in there.
I kind of want to jump in right now. Yeah,
You got to keep in mind that we're rejecting this mini 15-minute. We're rejecting this mini 15-minute SIBI. This market's trapped between these 2 zones over here. Get back to my market analysis. Market's trapped between this.
It just created that 15-minute busy, so it came back and came back to it. So that's what I'm watching right now.
Okay.
It came back to it, so
okay.
That's a brand. Just update you.
Roger that. I took my busy play. 1150 done for me. Okay, good job. Rinse and repeat. Good job. We'll see you another day, sir. Who voted the full amount for one person? Sheila said. I don't know who that was. They got every right. It's just a democracy. That $270 goes a long way. Yeah. Yo, doing this shit in virtual. Yo, I need to get my girl's nails done. Step 4 says 1:30, 2 p.m. Okay, 1:30. Everybody's at 1 to 2. Focus. Just saying. 1:30. You're not lying. I'm in Longs, Murdoch. Okay, AC, you need to be managing your risk today, bro. You already up $6,000 today. You might want to manage that risk, bro. Chill out. All this aside, let's not get too greedy. I know for a fact, brother, that we giving away some money and stuff like that, brother. But like, let's just chill out.
I feel like I gotta make it back.
I don't want you to give that up. All this aside, brother. Yeah, chill out. All this aside.
AC must gave away $1,000 because he trying to make that money back.
Yeah. See, so like it can be very easy in order for us to, like start to like feel really, 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 really good, and like other people are like acknowledging you, and so like you'll start to do things that like you that are adverse to your normal risk parameters, and like so like I'm telling him as like one of the students inside here, bro, you just made $6,000 in a few minutes in real cash. Withdraw that, and then just count today as a win. Count today as a win. Look at that.
Look at that shoot. Look at that shoot.
Let's just chill out on that cash. Something else. Do something else, AC. Look at that green body. Shoot, candle.
Oh my goodness.
Let's look at the SPY. SPY is up here in the no man's land. We're eating into this 15-minute. We're eating into these 15-minute SIBIs though.
Yes, sir.
We're up in here in the no man's land.
AC say, forget the yapping. I'm pressing the button.
Yeah, forget that yapping. I'm pressing that button. You heard? Yeah, man. But you gotta chill out though. I'm a trade evals. Yeah. Do that, brother. Bro, you just made $6,000 in one day, man, or however much it was. I can't remember. I swear to God, I can't. But yeah, man, come on, man. Good money, bro. Chill out. Most people, guys, most people would kill to make $5,000 in like a few minutes in real cash and then just deposit it right back to their account multiple times a week. Off of just and have a full-time job. He has a full-time job, just to let y'all know. People would kill for that.
When your side job then more than your main job.
$10 PA activation on chasing trays. What the hell? Somebody said $10 PA activation. What? $100K, $10 PA fee. Oh, that's why it's the $100K account. Shitty little account. Damn. Apex is killing me on this, man. I'm gonna have to create another account. They're not gonna let me buy more accounts though. I'm banned. How do I get around this?
What do y'all think about the new Top
Look
Step
at your mom's
page?
ID.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that for sure. I'm gonna have to use my mom's ID. That's what I'm gonna do.
You got 20 accounts, mom got 20 accounts, dad got 20 accounts.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Oh no, I'm tripping. Nah, $70? Cause nah, I be doing the Evo Instant Pass. That ain't gonna be advantageous for me. I'm
Fully TP. Like a fully TP out.
Going to London high.
Fully TP.
What's the numbers on that? Nine oh six.
A 15-minute bitch, you be playing a key role, bro. Keep trying to tell y'all. Still took that log with me. You profit. You should be good money. Or TP all the way out. Where I TP that right now.
Oh my goodness, look at that left for the macro.
Lock in, E. Lock in.
Time to lock in for sure. Already. Look at that bounce. Alright, what we got? He is not locked in. Yeah, nah, man. I have not been locked in for sure. Alright, what we got?
I mean, you already got the Apex account done for the day, so I'll let you pass with that one.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. So like, I'm already at like so I'm only trying to make $50 off them accounts anyway. So like, anything else I do, arguably for the rest of the day, is really just gonna be, like icing on the cake for me personally.
Hey, yeah. You check it.
Who said something?
Somebody talking in the metaverse.
Sound like you were talking into a
In
potato.
the metaverse.
Yeah, we just said him.
Look at the bullish from this 1150 macro. Oh my God. Is that what I think that is? Look at the bullish from this 1150 macro. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm not
Yeah,
rocking
we're
it at all because I
rocking.
just realized that. We tapped into 15-minute BIST and look what happened from the power
Yep.
of this 1150 macro. Look.
That's what I
Bounced
said,
right
bro.
up.
You came down and tapped into that 15-minute busy, bro. That's
Oh
what I
my
was saying.
goodness. Yeah. Whoa. Guys, if you just studied at 1150 macro inside Discord, I swear to God, your life would change. Why would you short the 1150 macro, Jack? Jack just said he shorted. Does he not know it's
Why would you
1150?
why would you short the 1150 macro?
I don't
Who
know.
shot the 1150 macro?
Right.
Jack from TikTok. He's not inside here though. That's why he shorted it. He doesn't know
Jack,
what it
you
No,
you
yeah,
need
he
to
wanted
be
to be
here.
right.
You need to get in
He
the
wanted to be right.
Discord.
There's no way.
is.
He wanted to be like,
Yeah, that's
I
crazy.
knew it.
I hope it works out for him though. But this is bullish 85% of the time. So
I hope he's holding for 2 hours.
he's playing against him.
We just swept the level of liquidity in a 5-minute SIBI. Now we should have shorted with a 1 minute. I'm thinking about it.
That's okay if you shorted it though, because we get liquidity. It's good.
Yeah, could be. I don't know what he's trying to accomplish. But I think
Is that donation? I heard.
yeah, but I think that at a minimum they're gonna shoot up into this 15-minute SIBI at a minimum. I think that at a minimum that they're gonna eclipse this and then shoot up into this 15-minute SIBI and then potentially start to reject over here in this zone. That's just what I'm looking at like right now.
What number are you talking, E? What number?
I have no, because I don't know why they would not eclipse 24,913 right here. On as to why they would not stop here and like not eclipse this, like shoot this up into here. And I think that before they seriously start trying to come lower, that they're going to tap into this 15-minute SIBI up here above at a minimum. That's what, like that's my analysis right now. But ES is just on a tear right now. So ES is just going straight vertical. I don't know what's going on with that. But I don't see why they wouldn't take the SPY to 672 at a minimum. And then shoot the Qs up into this zone and then eclipse 605. Perfect round hole number in this call resistance 0 to T and gamma wall 0 to T level. This is what I'm looking at a minimum. Eclipse this, shoot up here into this 5-minute SIBI and this one right here, and then tap into this 15-minute SIBI up here above. Then I think that they'll decide to go lower. So I'm starting to get back acquainted now and adjusted. This is what I'm thinking at a minimum. So like if Jack was inside here, this is what I would tell him. If he's considering shorting, there's two things that I would tell him to do. One, probably wait until 1208, 1207 at the earliest, 1208 at the earliest. Probably wait till 1210 to be safe with anything. Two, we got this liquidity over here that they're clearly headhunting right here. So on as to why they don't pop this and just leave this as a double top and then dump this down in here so that he can profit, I don't know. If they dump this down into here, I'm going to consider long on this, like all this aside. All right. Secondly, in order for this, like I seriously think that in order for this trend to start to seriously change, that we got to tap into this 15-minute SIBI up here above head. Now we're tapping into this 5-minute SIBI, so we're tapping to the cluster this 1 and this 5 here. But I think that's what this rejection is coming from a little bit. So it's not liking this 1 and this 5. But I don't see why they wouldn't pop this liquidity up here above head. Like pop this, and then when they pop this, I think it's going to shoot directly to this 15-minute SIBI. That's what I'm analyzing right now. So everything else in between here, I think this is just like pullback. I think this is what they're targeting right here. And why am I saying that? Because I'm looking across multiple assets, and they're teasing the 605 level, which we have not eclipsed so far today. You see that? You see that? You see that flash? How they just took out that 605 that I was looking at just now? Now, here's the deal. They just eclipsed this. They just completed 2 of the objectives that I was talking about. This market is trying to reverse itself. But, however, we have not tapped into this 15-minute SIBI up here above head. And it's just a simple flash. So 2 out of 3 objectives that I was looking at have been completed. All right? 3 of the 4. Because SPY just flashed 672 on this one candle right here. But it is the opening hourly candle, which means that a new hourly candle is forming. This previous hourly candle closed up here at the top, bullish. I don't have to look at the 1 hour in order to tell how bullish this candle is. You see that? I'm sorry. Because the market opened up at 1 o'clock. So I apologize. Got to probably go to like a 95-minute time frame. Where's it at? I'm sorry. So on like, well, they closed at 9:30, but you still get the point. Hourly candle as far as like a new hourly open, that's what I meant to say. Closed up here near the top, which means that it's probably going to precipitate just a little bit higher. But they flashed this and they completed 3 out of the 4 objectives, and they have been going up here in a straight line. The carousel, I think, is getting ready to stop spinning temporarily. So they got so they have 1 out of the 4 objectives to waiting to be completed up here. As in, I'm waiting on them to tap into this 15-minute SIBI, but they can reverse this at this point in time now. They popped this. They took out 672 on SPY. They flashed 605 just now on the Qs. They could start to hunt sell side a little bit right now. So like you need to be cautious if you are in a long right now. 3 out of the 4 objectives that I was looking at above head have been completed. And then on top of that, we're coming up on the 12-weight lunch sweep, just to let you know. So like if they're dancing us around here, like right around 1207, 1208, I'm going to think that they're getting ready to start hunting sell side, just to let you know. The only thing I'm waiting on is
Today is like one of those cream days.
I want to see them tap into this 15-minute SIBI above head. That's what I'm waiting on right now. I want to see them tap into this 15-minute SIBI above head in order for them to do something like this. I want to see them flash this, tap into this, give me like a first presented, and then I'll start looking for internals to be swept to the sell side. That's what I'm looking for. So everyone, like, that's what I'm on alert for right now. Alrighty. Let's go back here. What's this? I'm looking and I'm watching this right here. All right, let's see. Good job, AC. Gold just beautifully, absolutely ripped. Wow. Yeah, I don't be trading gold. I wish I did. Facts. It's been a good week, man. I'm about to go bless the soup kitchen. Thanks for Thanksgiving. Everybody gotta eat. The soup kitchen. Who's that? Soup kitchen. I'm having a good week. Glad it's a short one. Absolutely. We rinse and we rinse and repeat. Mr. 7-4. Oh, speaking of 7-4. Guys, I'm waiting on this just to let you know. I'm waiting on this zone right here to be tapped into. That's what I'm waiting on. Hold on. I said that I was going to revisit this point a little bit later, and I want to slightly revisit this point right now, just to let you know, guys. This is only going to take 1 or 2 minutes, so bear with me. Mr. 7-4 is starting to understand it. He says, stack days, strictly playing my edge and not growing a brain. He is doing what I am telling him to do. 500 to at the most maybe $1,000 a day stacked over and over and over again. Even if you're up that amount and it looks very enticing, live to tell the story the next day. You don't want to add more risk necessarily. More risk than you want to, which is exactly what I'm doing right now with my Apex accounts. I'm only trying to make $50 a day. Yeah, I see some stuff, but they got to scream my name in order for me to be taking this stuff. Same thing. He's rinsing these guys. People are starting to get it, and this is what I'm talking about. So I wanted to share this since this morning, but I wanted to make sure everyone was logged in and listening. This is what I'm talking about. Stacking days. He's not growing a brain. He makes his money, locks the account. He's taking the advice that he got from the classes on the weekend. He showed up. Man, you could change your life with $500 a day on average. I promise to God, look at that bounce. See that? You see that shit right there? You see that? So this right here is what I'm talking about. I love Jack. Jack's a really, 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 really good dude, and I love interacting with him. So I pray to God, I hope he does not stop. So like I hope because guys, we're not getting on Jack, but this is what I'm talking about on as to why you need a mentor. Because a mentor will be able to help save you from a lot of different things. See that? He shorted this, and if he would have been in here to ask me and say, "Hey man, what you think about this short?" I would have told him. And now I'm not saying that they can't play out. I'm not saying that. Because I hope it works out for him. Y'all heard me say it. I hope it works out for my man Jack. I hope it does. But I mean, God dang it. Imagine if he would have just waited a little bit more with more confirmation from an instructor, from a mentor. Or he used the confirmation
Jack
from the
account
jump.
is gone.
I think he has a decent amount of money, bro, because he's trading from an interactive brokers.
Yeah,
So
his fans
he
fire.
got some
He
bread
doing
in order to
fire.
dibble and dabble with, to be honest with you. So Jack ain't trading no $2,000 or $3,000. Like Jack dibbling and dabbling with at least 30, 40, 50,000. Probably at minimum. So like I hope it works out for him. And then he also told me that he has huge like wide stops. But my rebuttal to him was, imagine if he had that wide stop with the guidance that we are showing inside here.
With the accuracy.
Where would his P&L be at in that instance? That's all that I'm specifically saying. Like imagine like instead of him shorting it right here, like how he said, he was like, I'm short right here at 1150. Imagine like if he just decided to short it up here for a slightly better entry. He would have more meat on the bone and the quality of the trade would be upgraded. Guys, the price of having a community like this and a mentor in order to be able to that you can talk to in real time is invaluable.
Invaluable, yeah.
It is invaluable, especially if you understand what that person is saying and that person understands what you're saying.
1208.
1208 is getting ready to come up. Looks to me like they might want to try and come up here and eclipse this. I gotta be on alert, my damn self. Best to be on alert here. What they got going on here for this 1208? They just flashed this 672.
Maybe this swept 955.
Guys, I'm going to take about a C to about a C minus trade, guys, in order to then try and target this internal over here. Now, look, how can this short go against me? They can elect to shoot this up into here, then pop this, and then come lower. So I'm going to take a trade size right now with this in mind that I am willing to add up into this. And I don't have a first presented off of this, just to let you know. So, however, this trade right here, I am explicitly trying to get, hold on. I'm gonna wait. Guys, this short setup that I'm getting ready to take, not right now, this short setup that I'm getting ready to take, I might even wait for them to pop this up here. I am going to try to get about 50 to about 60 ticks off of this. But I am also willing to add a little bit lower. Add up a little bit higher. What I'm going to wait on this, the quality of this trade is going to be upgraded to about a C plus to about a B minus. If we pop this liquidity. Guys, if we pop this and this, the quality of that trade is going to be upgraded. Just to let you know why, because that's how this considers to hurt us. Why? Because that is going from a premium to a higher premium. Who is that? Trump talking? Yeah, Trump is speaking. He's going live right now.
Trump. Yep. Okay. I was gonna take this long without that, but never mind.
Trump, yeah. I'm looking at Trump talk live right now. He's speaking literally like right now, this second. Like you get a God flash candle out of nowhere.
If they flash, I'm gonna short that.
Yeah, just to let you know. Hold on real quick. I gotta go get some water. And literally, yeah, like literally, like it is literally like that. Yeah, like I'm gonna go get some water because this is crazy. I'm experiencing FOMO. Before I do something stupid. I swear to God, I gotta take a break. Hold on.
You don't have to be scared, Craig. Don't be scared, Craig.
That orange man is something different. But if they flash this whole, I'm short.
Gold is pushing.
All right, let me go put my money over there.
Guys, it looks as though that they're trying to target that liquidity really quickly, guys. I'm gonna wait for the short. I'm gonna wait. I either need confirmation or I need them to pop a decent internal. That's what I'm gonna wait. I'm stretching right now. Hold on.
Yeah, I would definitely wait.
Yes, absolutely. I'm gonna wait for them to pop this internal, and then I'll try and consider 50 to 60 ticks to the downside. Look at that. They just took the Q's green. You see that? Look at that Judas swing.
Well, I don't see NQ. I mean, QQQ don't stop until you take out 607 again and tap
Yeah.
into that Mississippi.
Yes. Look at this Judas swing right here. Flash dump and full blown Judas swing to completion. Almost to completion. That's insane. Oliver says, what website do you recommend trading with? Are you still in here, Oliver, on TikTok? Look at this market being hijacked. Look at this. Squeeze up from the 1150. Right. Squeeze up from the 1150 macro. But look at this. Squeeze up just sideways. Bullish sideways, continue squeeze. Bullish sideways, continue squeeze up into here. Defying all logic. They're forcing you. They're forcing you to throw away your RSI.
Not if you pay attention from 10 o'clock on ES, we tap into the 15-minute SIBI. That's how I was saying.
Yeah.
Tap to the 15-minute SIBI on ES at 10 o'clock. We never look back.
Guys, just so you're aware, this is what Murdoch is saying. This is why you have to have these 15-minute BISIs labeled on your chart. What? Look at that.
That's why I say the day was bullish. That's why I say the day was bullish. That's why I called it out. I say it's gonna be bullish.
Look at that.
Well, I gave y'all the keys.
Yeah, look.
Like
you see that? You see that? Look. 1, 2, fuel higher. You see that? That's what he was talking. Guys, you need to have these written out on your chart, please. Guys, you can have them on your chart and like they don't distract you. You just have to come here and you have to click settings, and then you can go to style and go background, and you can make them very, very faint. Like you can go even 5% to make them very, very light. Like so. See that? But just as long as it lets you know, hey, you know what? This is here. You need to know where these levels are. You need to be aware of these levels. I'm so serious. You need to be seeing these. I keep mine on about 7% because I need to know. Don't do 100% opacity. If you do that, you won't be able to see it until the candles. Guys, this is a sideways, bullish, nonstop, continuous squeeze. Trump is talking. They could do anything. Thinking about shorts, I'm thinking about it. But I need more conditions to be met before I short this.
You need some confirmation.
Yes.
I'll
need
wait
more
for
confirmation. Like, I need them to pop a major liquidity zone and then perfectly pop it, scare some people out. Then I'll consider dibbling, dabbling. But guys, listen to me. I'm getting ready to outline something for you right now. If you short this whenever we pop here and here, your short needs to be short-lived because you don't have confirmation that the trend is changing. So you're going against the trend, but you're only going against it based off of the fact that they're just pop liquidity and they might start targeting some internals immediately. So you're kind of front running it a little bit, just to let you know. You're front running it. So like you need